Europe Family TV, the place of real news. For entertainment, documentary, social issues. Then watch Europe Family TV, the place of real news. Europe Family TV, the place of real news.
Hello my people, good evening, una welcome anywhere una dey watch me. You are welcome. Please, if today na una first day to dey watch me, abeg una no forget to subscribe. Abeg my people, just try to show love, okay? We thank una for those of una where they show us love for Blacks in Europe TV. Now we see get this place, we see they talk about document any question where they ask for the other channel, we see they come here, they answer the question as I said earlier. So my people, you are welcome. So now so it be.
My people, now welcome to this channel. This is Europe Family TV. We are here once again. Italy don suspend some cities, say make they know they travel, some regions so make they know they travel, they go other cities. We are here to tell you the cities where if they catch you say you come off for that region or that provincia, go another provincia. For example, you dey Asti, you won't go Alessandra without any good reason, they fit give you multa, they fit deport you. This one a decree where Prime Minister Giuseppe Conte he don't bring. So here we will give you any details, documents, how to go your commission, and many more. But now we won't give you the names of the regions where be like say they don't affect or they don't get coronavirus. But before we go, in Italy now, people who don't get this coronavirus, now 5,883 people.
They hear my people.
And only yesterday, people wey get am only yesterday na 1,445 people.
Only yesterday, we be
only yesterday
stroke Sunday.
Death rates, people wey don die na 223 people na don die. As you dey see this sickness, make we no dey take am as joke. And people
coronavirus na big problem now for Italy, oh my people.
People wey be like say they say they don't cure them after getting the coronavirus. Now 589 people. Now be that too. How you see this matter? Because people they say black.
They don't cure.
They say black no they get am.
Me I don't know because sickness no they fear person. No sickness no woman be oh. You no get who they fear. No only God now they guide us. Because now every year say one Italy man don't they vex say why the blacks no they carry this sickness. No only white. So the thing na God go answer that question. Na God go answer that question because na God they guide us. So that is that. Some of our people they say Italy food not good. We they eat African food. This is African food. Una know say China people see they carry this African food they come.
Now them all these malts where we they buy no be China
people. Now God they guide us. So prevention is better than cure because me as himself go tell now. Me fear pass. My house I know if anybody knock, na inside my room. Now the domot now they answer and care. He go talk with you want talk. You know they see me because I don't know as they say who sneeze, who cough. Okay, if not be airborne disease, if you do like that, I want to contact them. Now make me I dey fear my head though. I dey be careful. So my people, prevention is better than cure. Most of una wey be like say una get children, I beg.
Una dey hold the children well.
And those of una wey be like say una dey camp, wey be like say they gather una be careful, my people.
Especially boys camp.
Open the windows, let air enter. Because e no dey right for forehead. They say after 14 days, now the thing they show.
2 weeks.
You dey see long tempo. So my people, prevention no. Mostly all these our people wey be like say they camp, wey be like say they gather them. I beg muna take care, my people. I know say na God they guide the children, but they say heaven help those who help themselves.
You know go sit down and say God. You know they do anything. God no go mind you.
God no come down for heaven, come fight for you. the fight I no know, I no say make you go dey fight people. You shey understand my people. So na so e be. Abeg.
Okay, now may we give you the cities where if you dey, they say may you not comot. The provincia, if you dey, not comot for your own, go another person own. The first city na Modena.
Okay.
Modena wey dey Bologna. Second, Parma. You where you dey Parma, they say no comot, dey your house. No invite friends. No go visit. Piacenza, dey your house. Reggio Emilia, dey your house. Rimini, dey your house. Pesaro Urbino, dey your house. Venice, may you suffer dey inside room. Padua, dey inside house. Treviso, if na your bedroom, sit down for there. Asti, no go Alessandra. Alessandra, no go Asti. Novara, no try come Torino. Vercelli, no comot go Aosta. Verbano, Cusio, Uzolo, no comot. People wey dey Aosta, no come Torino. If they catch you, and people wey una dey Milan, who say in passport don expire, you won't go Rome. If they hold you for road, now you know whether na Nigeria airport or na Ghana Kotoka International Airport you dey go. Lombardia, e dey there, Milan. People wey una dey Torino say e no dey Torino, e dey Asti. Asti is under Torino. E dey Alessandra. Alessandra is under Torino. Abeg una stay house. They say any person where you fit comot, na who wan go work. And if your work no be contract work, you no get contract paper for your hand. If control you, you no show contract say you dey work. Na just waka waka. Because now the law don state say marriage, burial, adoring, birthday, nightclub, party, any occasion at all, football games, they don't cancel everything. Everything. If they catch you for outside, whether you be Italian, whether you be who, muta where they go give you if you not get reasonable word wey make you comot, go outside, my people. To avoid, to prevent, stay house. No invite. If una be family, you husband and wife with children, man, go do Spencer come house. May your wife with your children, may they stay house. If they see you, your wife, your children inside supermarket, they go pack una, fold una, arrange una, put una for good position. My people, Mona no take corona as a joke. No doctor don't come out say corona no they catch black. No doctor. So may we know they sit down, they use our color, they deceive ourselves. We know say we strong, but our country we they still they die. If we know they die, waiting we they use the barrier, the cemetery where they our country they do. Abeg una.
Abeg, no be sickness.
Now be the only one where I fit give una for this night.
Because this thing is very important. The thing it dies the way where the number of the people where they get this coronavirus they increase every day. The thing my people, e get as e be o, e get as e be. Na disaster this thing won't cause so.
Very well.
Cause because when
more than 3,000 people now don't die for China. China. More than 80,000 people now don't get.
And they hear thousand.
You they use that they joke.
80,000.
China self where they say they get technology, they get machines.
Hey. My people. Now make sometimes it happen like this. They say China. If to say na good thing they see carry come, na for all the whole world. So as it don't happen so, na for we to use sense follow this sickness till go comot for ground. Na so Ebola come, it don't comot. You don't understand my people. So that is that. Abeg, muna not take am as joke say nothing dey happen. Some people say you go drink alcohol, enough alcohol. I no know that one they talk.
No doctor prove am.
No doctor prove am. Just that they say wash your hand very well with warm water.
Ma still give the names of the cities. May they aware.
Because this thing we need to share and we don't need to keep am within ourselves. We need to forward and make everybody know, because not be sickness. Now we find come. We leave our people for home. Muna remember say dem dey look up to us. So abeg my people, abeg make una stay clear.
The name of the cities wey you no fit comot for there go another place: Lombardia, Piedmonte, Veneto, Emilia-Romagna, Marche, Modena, Parma, Piacenza, Rimini, Pesaro, Urbino, Venice, Padua, Treviso, Asti, Alessandria, Novara, Vercelli, Verbano, Cusio, Uzzola. All these cities, if you dey there, stay house. No comot if they catch you. No say I no come talk am. Abeg, subscribe to Hero Family TV. Informations, details, anything wey dey go about documents, we go bring am. This suspension wey they don give these cities, say make they stay house, no schools, nothing, no party, e go end in April 3rd. Till April 3rd, you no get right to go outside. Abeg, stay tuned. Comport yourself. Obey law. Because Italy now, they don't take this matter serious. If they catch you, deport you now, no come say Italy no good.
They talk am.
They don't warn their people, their own people self, they don't warn am. Say if you open supermarket, highest evening by 6 o'clock, may you lock am. If na drinking spot, if na restaurant, by evening 6, may you lock am. They don't want make people gather. Person wey you dey talk to, give am 1 meter distance. 1 meter distance. No go close to that. They talk to that like this. 1 meter distance. Abeg. Na be wetin we fit give una for this night.
Abeg my people.
More una stay tuned.
Okay.
More una dey watch.
See you next in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Love you all. Much love. One love. Keep us together. Okay.
Stay tuned. See you next time. Bye bye.